In this video, I'll show you how to change the theme in Gamma AI. First, from your dashboard, open the presentation that you want to update. Then go to Theme, and from here, you can browse through their presets. The presets are also grouped into different categories, as you can see here above. So we're just gonna browse for the presets. For example, we would choose this one right here, the Sage. Once that's applied, you can adjust your fonts as well. If you want them larger so that they're easier to read, just highlight the text that you want, then change the size. You can also tweak the colors or adjust any other font settings as needed. So that's how you can change the theme in Gamma AI. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful.